a federal government contractor. I don't see any reason why Kanu should be behind bars. If Kanu cannot be released on the basis of legality, he should be released on the basis of equity, fairness. If he cannot get justice, at least he can be given freedom based on...
My people, some things are very serious, some things remains a slap in the entire nation of a particular tribe. I'm referring to Igbo. Yes. So now is an Hausa man now that will come and represent Igbo man in the House of Rep and the Senate. Is that what we are talking about? Is it other tribes that will come and represent the Southeast in the House, National Assembly, even the governors, the other political positions? Is it a northerner that will, okay, maybe next time we'll vote a northerner, since it's a northerner that can speak for us, that our people cannot, speak in a way that everywhere will vibrate. Yes, everybody is talking about his own. We don't want to come together to do something about it concerning the case of Nnamdi Kanu. We all know that because of him that this Monday sit at home was instituted and nothing happened. On Mondays, well, market closed down because this man was still in detention, Nnamdi Kanu, and the Supreme Court granted him bail, if I'm correct. So why are we keeping quiet over this issue? Look at this Hausa man talking about this. See, let me tell you. They said if you speak the truth, you will die. If you lie, you will die. So why not speak the truth? Me, I choose to speak the truth and die. That is my own. It's better I speak the truth and die. So now, in election now, the Hausa man will come and represent Southeast in the National Assembly or what? Yes, I know that some few, there are some moves towards the release of Nnamdi Kanu to secure the release by some Easterners, but I don't see it very laudable. He's not vibrating, he's not shaking. He's a kind of lukewarm attitude towards that. Honestly, these things, has some, consequential effects. What is there to be afraid of? Even when others that have similar case with him, they have been released, on what grounds? I want you to listen to this man. On what grounds that they are still holding this man? And even if, okay, let's assume that they are holding Nnamdi Kanu, and the Monday sit at home is not enough. Is it not enough? Is it not giving us concern to do something tangible about this? That sit at home alone is enough to do something serious towards that. The internet, you go to Twitter, you see how people are talking, against the Igbos. Some will say the Igbos are looking for independence, they are looking for their own countries, but those in the National Assembly are not, their body language is different from that. But me and you know that Igbos are being marginalized. I am an Igbo man, but we know this truth. Then majority of Igbos, or some Igbos, say they want to go, and you don't want to allow them to go. Then let them be included. You don't want to include them. Now look at what is happening to this man now, Nnamdi Kanu, and nothing is happening. Man, that is the selected justice that we are talking about. That is the selected justice. People have right for self-determination. Yes, they have right for self-determination. If some people say that they don't want this, is it by force? Are people supposed to force into something? Please. What I'm saying is that if an Hausa man other tribes, I hear it, I see them over social media. They can come out and be voicing it out that this thing is not right. Detaining this man for that day is not right. There are still some people with integrity in this country. There are so many people with integrity. They prefer to say that truth, and anything that wants to happen, let it happen. Please, I am very serious about this thing. If it means we are going to be voting Northerners as our representative in the Southeast, okay. Because if they are the ones that can speak for us, and we don't have people to come out boldly like this and talk and say the truth of what you feel that is correct, man, we are finished. Well, let me not talk too much. I want you to see this video. Just listen to this video and see it yourself. Thank you.
From Yahaya Bello to see what's happened with Nnamdi Kanu's case. We've seen that the judge has recused herself from the case. We wanted to find out your thoughts regarding, how the matter has been handled so far. It's been on for the longest time. He's accused the court of being biased and saying that if the DSS does not subject itself to the rulings of the court, he can understand that, but that not the court itself being biased and not obeying the decisions of the Supreme Court. So what's your thoughts regarding how Nnamdi Kanu's case has been handled?
Over and over again. And I have said this in the past, and I will repeat the same thing here now. If Boko Haram criminals can be given amnesty, be trained, and given commercial support, if Sunday Agboha is still a free person working on the street, if Gani Adams is still a traditional ruler, and if this guy in the southwest, in the south, what do you call him? Remind me his name. If they are still alive, Dokubo Asari, if Dokubo Asari is still free, and if Tom Polo is still a federal government contractor, I don't see any reason why Kanu should be behind bars. They have committed more crimes than being alleged to have been committed by Nnamdi Kanu. If Kanu cannot be released on the basis of legality, he should be released on the basis of equity, fairness. If he cannot get justice, at least he can be given freedom based on equity. Because these people that have criminal records all over the horizon have committed more crimes than Kanu, than what Kanu is being alleged to have committed. Therefore, for me, keeping Kanu behind bars is immoral, is illegal, is unconstitutional, is a crime, and he's being cherry-picked for persecution. For now, he is being persecuted. Luckily, it will go round. One day, there will be the people that will be persecuted, and we'll celebrate that. We will remind them that when Kanu was behind bars, you were in charge. Your children were in charge. Your daughters were in charge. Your uncles and parents were in charge. Therefore, now, keep quiet, remain silent, enjoy what you have subjected other people to enjoy in the past.
Okay, now you have seen it now. You have seen it. If somebody from another tribe can now be the one talking for people that cannot speak, what will prevent me from voting that man to represent me if he come out to contest? What will stop me? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Let's be careful with what we are doing, Let's be careful. Even though the idea behind it, I don't know. I don't know why the guy is still there. The idea behind it is what I don't know. When court have spoken and every other concerned people have spoken. Well, let me leave you at this until I come your way next time. Say bye.